Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one's the Regetek cooking food, meat, smoker, oven, kitchen, barbecue grill, thermometer. It has a high, low temperature alert, count up counter timer, dual probe, digital backlit, thermometer for cooking turkey, fish, beef, chicken, or any protein temperature check. So yeah, I'd like to give the shout out to Jerry from their marketing team for sending me this. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this and then I'll show you guys the product. By the way, be sure to check out the link that's going to show you in the description so you could check out this awesome item. So here's the product description right here. And it is made in China. Here's a user manual guide right here, or instruction. And there's also a temperature table for ground beef, veal, chicken, pork, poultry, lamb, fish. There's a temperature table right here for rare, medium, or medium well, or well done. It's a pretty nice size. It's a battery door right here. And then a button, pretty tactile. And there's your Pro 1 and Pro 2. This is the stand. You got the individual color, black or the orange, for a different probing color. You got the mesh wire cable. And this is pretty sharp pointed, so you could insert this to your meat or your fish, turkey, chicken, beef. And come with this two of the AAA batteries. Also, be sure to hook up in those two holes on the left and right hand side. just like that. Let me open this battery cover. Yeah, so I had to use a flathead screwdriver to push downward and then pry it out. Wow, there you go. It's a back lid. So now it's with the back lid. Oh, this is without the light. So the black one on the right hand side will be the Pro 2. And then the orange is the Pro 1. On the right hand side right here, there is the high or low temperature. So you can set the alarm. So let's go and then click on Pro 1 right here. So once I press Pro 1, it show the blinking high temperature that I could set the alarm to. And I press Pro 1 again, you can show the low. And that's how you set the high or low temperature alarm setting. And then you can increase the temperature by pressing up or down, decrease it. You go by one digit at a time. Or if you press and hold, it just keep on jumping. And if you press the timer, go by up and down. And then right here you can set the degree Fahrenheit or degree Celsius. So this one, you start the timer. So this is the countdown. So that was like a 1 hour timer countdown. So if you want, you can set the timer by keep pressing it. You can set the hour, the minute, and then the second. So let's set it for 44 seconds, see what's going to happen. Probably start beeping. Alright, so if you want to turn out the alarm, you should just press this on here. Alright, so in order to do the counter up, you need to press this and press the time and hold it for more than 2 seconds. Okay, and then you gotta press start right here right away, and then that's how you do the counter up. Unfortunately, you cannot set the alarm on this, okay? So let's go and then test out some of the chicken meat that we're gonna cook or do some tests on it. So the chicken will be 165 degrees. So we can set the high at 165. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments down below. And thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye always. Peace.